Hi, my name is Paige Egan. My blog is about health and wellness and finding habits that are sustainable to keep you moving, keep you active, and keep you healthy through your life. I have found some of these habits in my own life, and I'm excited to share with you what I have learned. I grew up doing all different kinds of activity. I grew up figure skating, and then I moved on to cheer. And through my life, I've had to find different ways to keep my body active, find different recipes that I love to make. But I think my number one tip is to find something that you love so that you look forward to it every day. And that has really helped me. I'm excited to share more tips that I learn, more ways to track your health, and to build this community on here. If you want to follow along on my blog, just enter your email below and I will share my best tips with you. Thanks.